Kumshibenta jangka conclave kan sedon ruk kajinga soy ya ka Shillong Declaration dagi nong yashimenta na kini kiri. Hagan ni kajinga lang lawan yashimenta ruk daw Menteri Katanat Water Resources ba coming one ombon, Menteri ka kot kakia kong Amperin Lingdo, Menteri Ridok ka ba AL-Hek, Manaka Ministry ka Jal Shakti ka ri India, Debashri Mukherjee. Menteri rang ba ulakran ya kini hagajinga lang play ya ka International Water Conclave ba arsungi kabala perlong hanong ba Shillong. Hagan ni ka conclave lawan banyashimenta daki nong mikmat nari Thailand, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Cambodia, bat Vietnam, halor kikinhun na ki agency baper bat kiway. Menteri rang ba kacilla konrat ke sangma, hene ka singi thok ding ulak daw ya ka jingkongsan, bandon ka iasyllok hapadeng kijilla bat hapadeng kiri ka perthai, halor ka jingkylla ka suinbneng bat kamay mariang.
We realized that a small state like Meghalaya ends up spending close to about 7,000 to 8,000 crores on different water supplies and water-related schemes and projects, externally aided projects, central schemes, state schemes. And somehow we don't end up talking to each other and really focusing on what really the goal is. So number one, the objective of this actual conference and the conclave is to bring everybody together, department-wise, throughout state governments, throughout different organizations, throughout society, to realize that we need to keep our eye on the ball. And we need to address the issues and not just focus on scheme implementation or completion of certain targets. And hence, a holistic approach is required. We need to realize that there is a larger objective to what individually every department is doing, and we need to talk to each other. Number two, we also realized that though geographically speaking, we have different states, we have different countries out here, but when it comes to environment and water-related issues, water doesn't have boundaries. And hence, it is important that different state governments talk to each other, different countries talk to each other. We realize that in a particular geographical region, we have factors that affect us each. And therefore, if we are not aligned in our efforts and in our goals, we actually may not be able to achieve the full potential if we are able to actually work together. So this is the genesis of the project and this conclave that we had. Number three, why the Water Conclave? So we have, and I think every other state in the government in the country has got what we call the climate councils, and the chief minister heads the climate council. We realize that climate change, obviously apart from the normal problems we have, climate change is only impacting these problems even at a larger scale. And hence, from the climate council, we had started advocating and working and talking to departments, telling them that we need to start addressing these issues at a state scale, at a regional level in the country, and even in a political kind of other countries around us, so that we are able to address these concerns in a larger platform where we bring everybody together.